This is a fully detached duplex in Maitama with a land size of 1,400 square meter on paper, but on ground is 1,600 square meters. You can see the main structure here. The main structure has 5 bedrooms with 3 living rooms, and it has a space for office, and with underground. Inside the underground, they have a hall for gym. That's what they use the underground for. And you see this place. This is a BQ. This BQ has 3 bedrooms, and there is another BQ. The other BQ has 3 bedrooms, and with a swimming pool. See the swimming pool here. See the swimming pool. See the surroundings. See the compound.